Hey, what if saving money has nothing to do with how hard you try chai and everything else? You cut subscriptions, skipped coffee, budgeted everything Aramis, yet your account is still empty. The real problem isn't your income or discipline. To Kai, it's 6 hidden money leaks draining you. Whether you earn a little or a lot, could go. These leaks affect almost every person on the planet. The first leak harm, you save whatever is left after spending, instead of spending what's left. Most people plan to save at month's end a pound, but spending always expands to fill available money.
Ignore this and you'll reach retirement age with almost nothing saved, accrued, no matter your salary.
The fix is simple. Pay yourself first. Move savings the same moment your income arrives. The moment you get paid forward, transfer a set percentage directly into a separate savings account automatically.
Today, Red, open a separate savings account and set up one automatic transfer for your next payday.
The second leak toe, subscription creep. Small monthly charges you forgot about are bleeding you dry. Each subscription feels tiny, Hada, maybe $5, but 10 forgotten ones cost you $60 monthly. Over 5 years, forgotten subscriptions could have been a fully funded emergency savings account instead. The fix, pal, do a full subscription audit every 3 months and cancel everything you don't actively use. Check your bank and card statements for every recurring charge. Highlight anything you don't remember subscribing to. Right now, tab, open your bank app, find every recurring charge, and cancel at least 2 you don't need. The third leak find, lifestyle inflation. Every time your income rises, your spending rises even faster. You get a raise PAV, so you upgrade your car, apartment, wardrobe half, and somehow still have nothing left. If you never contain lifestyle inflation bottom, you'll need your income forever and build zero real wealth. The fix bio, follow the 50% rule. Save half of every raise before lifestyle expenses touch it. Get a 10% raise pine. Immediately redirect 5% to savings before adjusting any spending at all. Today, Prev, write down your current income and decide right now what percentage of your next raise you'll save. The fourth leak, Prele, no emergency fund. One unexpected expense wipes out months of careful saving. Car breaks down, medical bill arrives, appliance dies. 47% of people can't cover a $400 emergency. Without a buffer, every emergency sends you into debt. And debt makes saving almost completely impossible. The fixed code, build a starter emergency fund of $1,000 before saving for anything else. Once you hit 1,000, grow it to 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses over time. Today, Brian, open a dedicated emergency fund account and make your very first deposit, even $10. The fifth leak, Haven, emotional spending. You buy things to feel better, not because you actually need them. Stress, boredom, sadness, even celebration, hedo. Every emotion becomes a spending trigger you don't notice. Emotional spending is invisible on your budget, Tem. It feels justified in the moment, but destroys savings long term. The fix, Bell, use the 24-hour rule. Never buy anything non-essential without waiting a full day first. Add the item to a wish list instead of buying it. After 24 hours, most urges simply disappear completely. Today, create a wish list in your Notes app and move your next impulse purchase to it instead of buying. The sixth leak, pray, no clear savings goal. Without a target, your money has nowhere specific to go. Vague goals like, I want to save more, give your brain no deadline, no target, and zero motivation. Without a goal, saving feels pointless, Perrin, and your brain will always find a reason to spend instead. The fix, Pam, set one specific, emotionally powerful savings goal with a clear number and a clear deadline. Write your goal where you see it daily. Phone screen, mirror, wallet. Constant visibility drives consistent action. Today, Fro, write your savings goal with an exact amount and exact date, then put it on your phone wallpaper.
Now you know the 6 leaks Plium. Let's do a fast recap of every fix so you can start using them today.
Pay yourself first the moment you're paid PAN, and audit your subscriptions every single quarter without fail. Save half of every raise before spending at Cal, and build your emergency fund before anything else. Use the 24-hour rule for impulse buys Bekräden, and set one specific savings goal with a real deadline. You don't need more money, Pau. You need to stop 6 invisible leaks. Fix them, and your savings will finally grow. Bonus tip 10, track your net worth monthly, not just your balance. Watching it grow is the most powerful motivation. Which leak hit closest to home for you? Drop it in the comments, Pave. I read every single one.
Subscribe to Money Quill. I'm a new money secret every week to build your wealth. See you soon.